Cover, items packing cover, items packing cover. Packing the items cover. Oh shit, cover is damaged. How to pack these bag items? Packing this bag. All items pack this bag. Don't use cover. Don't use cover. Use this fabric bag. Use this fabric bag packing the items. Bag cutting. Grub bag. Items packing bag. One piece, two piece, folding the piece. Handle piece. One, two piece, two handle piece. Folding the piece. Two side stitching. Two handle piece. One handle, two handle. Folding the top side edge piece, top side. Two side folding top side piece. One side, two side. Folding the piece center mark. Center mark, dividing the piece, attach the belt, stitch. One side top side attaching, two side top side attaching belt. Handle, top side folding, top side edge stitch. One piece, two piece, top side stitching edges. Edge stitching. One side stitching and two side stitching edges. turn the bag, top side stitching edges, turn the inside, turn, open, inside, turning the bag, top side edges stitching and tension margin stitching inside. Tension margin stitching, two side, one side, two side. Turn the top side, tension margin stitching inside, handle piece attaching inside, bag is ready. Items packing bag. Packing the bag. Please don't use plastic cover, use fabric bags.